He's able to keep you. He's able to make you stand, but he won't. It's almost as though this passage that Jude is saying that he's just teasing you. I can do it, but I won't. Well, we know better than that, which is why Jude said earlier that we should earnestly contend for the faith. Why? Because certain people have crept in, some unnoticed, some in plain sight, some in full view, but because people have, as Paul says, these itching ears, they want people to whisper or to say aloud to them what they want to hear. Tell them that they're going to be great. Tell them that they're going to be rewarded. Tell them that this is their best day. Tell them that they can decree and declare.
I decree an abundance of finances is being released into the pew.
Tell them that they can say to themselves that they are God, or they're just like God, or they are little gods.
Don't you understand? That's what he's saying about us now. Like right now, you're looking at a person who is not just a person. Somehow, God is in me, and there's a sense in which I am like God and man all at once.
And you are not the identity of who your parents created you to be. Because God says that you have the DNA of Abba.
Yes.
You see it, it's the divine nature of Abba,
Amen.
the DNA.
Tell them, though, that the Lord did not meet his full potential. You can.
Jesus never reached his potential. Now, I know this is messing with a lot of people's theology.
Tell them that though the Lord did not meet his full potential, you can meet your full potential. Tell them that you can be your best self. You can be whatever you want to be, even if the Bible is clear about being a preacher, but you're a woman and you want to be one. Doesn't really matter. Why? Because the word is not as important, or we have simply misunderstood it. Just like Satan tries to get Eve to believe in the garden that whatever God said, no, you have simply misunderstood his word. Ladies and gentlemen, I submit to you that we don't have to look forward to the great falling away, because what we're seeing now is literally either the beginning stages or the early stages, maybe the middle stages. It's going to get worse. This great falling away, these people moving away from the tenets of the faith, it's going to happen more and more and more. You name it. You pick the doctrine. Paul says to teach what accords with sound doctrine. You pick whatever sound doctrine that we have, whatever it is, you name it. Doctrine A, Doctrine B, Doctrine C, Doctrine D, whatever it is, if it's sound, then you pick the unsound doctrine. The sound doctrine is going to go down this way, and the unsound doctrine is going to increase. This is the way it's going to go.
Twist it around and get it to say what you wanted. You can make the Bible say anything you want it to.
Think about what's happened with the identity of God, the Trinity.